Hi there, I'm Charlie Molina with the PDR Shop, and today behind me I have a 2015 Chevy Malibu to work on. We have a 6-inch dent that's going through the body line, and this is a pretty substantial dent because as it was pushed in, the body line was distorted and this area buckled out. And to repair this today, we're going to use a combination of blending, traditional PDR, and glue pulling. To get to this dent, to access it for the PDR method, we're going to end up taking the tail light out to try to get some of our traditional tools behind the dent, and we're also going to use the glue pulling method to pull out some of the bulk area down here, and our blending techniques are going to use to knock down this buckling back to its original shape. Okay, I can walk you through the removal of this tail light. Once the interior trim has been removed to gain access to the 3 bolts behind the tail light, we remove those and notice that there's 3 clips on the tail light that connect it to the bumper. Here, here, and here. Once the bumper's been loosened and pulled forward, we can slide the tail light off of the bumper backwards. We're using the glue pulling method here just to bring out the bulk areas of this low damage under the body line. Glue pulling can also be used to remove dents completely in areas there's no access. Now I'm blending those large buckles back down. So when a PDR technician says blending, it really means something completely different from the body shop's meaning of blending, because body shops are typically talking about painting all the undamaged panels touching their repaired panels, because the paint won't match otherwise. And we call these longer PDR hammers blending hammers. And for PDR, blending specifically means the type of knocking down we do with these hammers. Now that the repair is complete, the tail light, bumper cover, and interior trim go right back together. If we ever have to take things apart to repair your damage, that shouldn't alarm you, because with our experience, everything goes back without even the slightest sign that it was ever apart in the first place. I want to give a shout out to some of the tool companies that I used their tools on this repair. Black Plague, gangrene tabs, tab weld glue. I'd like to give a shout out to the Blim shave tools. Man, what a great set. A trusty PDR outlet, blending hammer, Anson PDR for making a great slide hammer, and it's become my go-to slide hammer. The Get a Grip heat gun holder. This tool did a great job holding a pretty heavy Ryobi heat gun. It held it right where I needed it, and actually it's strong enough to put it in different positions that I wasn't able to before. So shout out to a really great product. Well, thanks for watching the repair on this 2015 Chevy Malibu. It came out great using the Paintless Dent Repair method. I'm Charlie Molina with the PDR Shop, and we service Austin, Buda, and Kyle with mobile paintless dent repair. If you found this video helpful, leave us a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching, guys.